Okay, hey everybody, welcome back to another video of Kayla Francis. And how about you do the intro?
Hey, what's going on, everybody? I'm Kayla Francis. Can you hear me? I'm Kayla Francis. We're in the middle of a snowstorm right now.
Yeah, it's like 2 feet high, 2 feet lumps of snow.
I'm trying to shovel this. It's like up to my hip. We got tons of snow last night. Well, it's been like a day and a half, 2 days. We've kind of got a break right now. It kind of stopped snowing. The wind's blowing, so it's like blowing the snow everywhere. I'm freezing. I don't have lawn jugs on.
But guys, I've been looking on YouTube. I went on our channel and we had 0 likes. Like 0 likes and 0 thumbs downs. Like nobody's on it, guys. Well, but anyway, hit that like button. I just got out here like 2 minutes ago and I'm freezing already. I don't want to slip. I'm trying to get down. Oh, look at this, guys. Michaela, I need help. I'm stuck. There's lots of snow. Here, take the GoPro.
Okay, Casey's stuck. Earlier we were outside. They were helping me take out the car, and he lost his boot. We just came on to show you how much snow we got. I know it's not really a lot, but it's a lot for us. For 2 days of non-stop snowing, it's been a lot. It's gonna be a really short video. I know we said that last time, and it was like 6 minutes long. It's not bad, but it's not good. It hurts to breathe. My lungs hurt. But yeah, we're gonna finish this up and...
Okay, I wanna take it. Okay, so I'm gonna try to get away over there somehow. Like, you see that black thing over there? That's just our dog. Start it over. Okay. So guys, it's freezing out. It's like it's like 7 degrees out. Like winter. Winter is in full effect. Winter is my least favorite season. Actually, no, fall's my least favorite season. What's your least favorite season? Yep, she said fall too. I made it from over there to over here. I don't know how I'm gonna get over there, so I'm just gonna take the easy way. God. Okay, this is cool. This is cool. All I'm doing is I'm getting like, I don't even have any ski pants on. Like seriously, guys. Yeah, guys, I don't have any ski pants on. Oh, shoot. Sorry, guys. I just dropped the GoPro. Wait. I shouldn't even be rubbing it on my... Sorry, guys. Yes, I got it. I made it. I made it. I'm free. Jax, are you cold? I don't know about Michaela if she's cold. Are you cold? Yeah, same with me. No, my hands and legs are cold. So guys, I don't know about Michaela if she said this is going to be a short video, but when they say it's a short video, it's like a long video. But guys, guess what? Guess what? Cadence, you know, in our first video that it was me in, like Cadence was in there, but guess where she is? Okay, I'll give you like 10 seconds to guess. Okay, guess where she is? She is in Cuba. Oh guys, remember last video that we made, like there was a gunshot? There was like gunshots and we were playing with that skidoo. So if you didn't see that, check that out. give it a like. So guys, guess what? This is what it's like in winter. So guys, the only thing I like about winter is Christmas and making snowmans. I only got 2 things that I like about winter. So guys, I know in summer we'll be making lots and lots of videos because I don't have any more school in summer. Well, guess whose birthday it is? It's Cadence's birthday. I think that's probably why they went to Cuba. I can't believe this. This is bigger than me. All of this is... Guys, the thing that is so surprising is that the snow is bigger than me. See how big I am? And then this is how big the snow is. If you can't see that, the snow was not bigger than me. But then the camera must be like way too far away. Because it is bigger than me. No, it's actually, no, I'm bigger than it. Never mind what I said. So guys, guess what? I am going to dust you. Dust. There we go. It is now covered in snow. So guys, I don't know if this is the end of the video. But if it is, it's not much of a video. Here, do the outro then. Yep, it's the end.
Whoops. Sorry, I just dropped you in the snow. My fingers are frozen.
I'm getting over here.
Alright guys, that's the end of the video. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button.
Do it now.
Give this video a thumbs up. Give it a like, same thing. I'm rambling because my lips are frozen. My legs are really numb. But yeah, wish Cadence a happy birthday. Happy birthday, Cadence, if you're watching this.
Yeah, happy birthday.
Can't believe you're 13. You're officially a teenager. I'll see you next week. Bye.